Welcome you all in Nagesh Karajgi Orchid School. I am Manjushri Raghavendra Baitpalli of grade 1 English teacher. Okay, students, today we are going to see first good thought. Today's good thought is good books are our good friends. What is that? Today's good thought is books are our good friends. Understood? So what it means? It means books gives us knowledge. What they gives us? Books give us knowledge. Understood? They are giving the information to us. Okay? With the help of the books only we are learning. What we do? We are learning. We get the information. Understood? So for that they are always giving us the information. They are always help us. So that's why they are our good friends. Understood? So what is the thought today's? Books are our good friends. Okay, so let's move further. In the previous session what we have studied? Yes, in the previous session we have studied the lesson number 2, a walk with Dadu. Lesson number 2, a walk with Dadu. What we have seen in that lesson? We have seen in that lesson there is one girl, Deena, okay, and she went to the beach with her Dadu. Where she was gone? She went with her Dadu to the beach. Okay. So what she has observed there? She has observed different birds over there. She saw the big sea. Okay, and she saw one turtle. What she saw? Turtle. It's a sea animal. Okay, and she has enjoyed a lot over there. Understood? What she has done there? She has enjoyed a lot there. Okay, so and afterwards they came back to their home. Means what they did there? They have enjoyed that walking and they came back to their home. Understood? And what we have studied in the previous session? We have solved some exercise. So today what we are going to do? We are going to solve the remaining part of the exercise. Okay. Now in the previous session we have studied this. Okay. What I was taking? Grammar. 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 What is the meaning of grammar? Already I have told, the study of language. What is that? The study of language. Okay. So here they have given us the names. What they have given us? Names. Okay. So in that we are going to see today common nouns. What we are going to see? Common nouns. Okay. So student, you have to observe it here. Now students, you can see here, what are these? What are these? These are all the fruits. What are these? These are all the fruits. Okay. So these all kinds of things have same name. What is that? Same. They are sharing one name commonly. What they are doing? They are sharing the name commonly. So this name of these things fruits. Okay. So but they are the different fruits. This is orange. This is mango. This is apple. Understood? So apple is the proper name. What is that? Particular name of this thing. Understood? What is that? What is this? Fruit. But the apple is the proper name and fruit is the common name. Understood? What is the difference between common and proper? Once again I will explain. What is this? What these are? These are all the fruits. Understood? What is this? These are all the fruits. They are sharing that fruit name commonly. Understood? And but here the name of this fruit is what? Apple. So apple is the proper and fruit is the common. Understood now? What is the difference between? Let's see further. In my hand you can see what these are. Yes, these are all the pens. What these are? These are all the pens. But these pens have same name? No. Understood? These all pens have same name? No, they are sharing pen. It's a common name. but they have different name. This is what? R. This is what? Tramax. Okay, this is marker. This is Lexi. So Lexi is a different name. Understood what is that? The name of this thing is pen. That is one common, but Lexi is that is particular name. Understood about that? What is the difference between common and particular? So today we are going to see the common nouns. Now maybe students, you have so many friends. Do you have friends? Then each and all your friends have same name? No, na? So like that, friend is a common noun, and your friend, suppose your friend name is Ramesh, Suresh, Sia. These are all the particular names. Again one example I will give. Animals. You know the animals, different animals? Yes, obviously. So each and all the animals sharing only one name? No. Animal is a common. They are sharing that. But particular name they have. Understood? Particular name they have. So animal is the common noun and their particular name is the proper noun. Understood now? For example, cat. Cat is a different. Dog is a different. But both are animals. So animal is the what? Common noun, and that cat and dog, these are the particular noun. So with this we are going to solve one exercise. Now we are going to do this. Okay. So let's do it. Now they have given us the exercise. We are going to solve this exercise. Okay. So what they have given here? They have given us here some common nouns, and we are going to fill those nouns in particular place. Okay. Where those nouns are going to be correct, we are going to fill those nouns. Now let's see. Complete these sentences. While reading, you should also repeat after me with the correct words. What is that? Complete these sentences with the correct words from the box. What they have given? They have given one box. In that box, they have given us the some words. What they have given? Some words. Now what we are going to do here? Those words we are going to fill it. Okay, in a particular place. Okay. So what is first one? Which is that? Can you read this? Yes. What is that? C-I-T-Y. What is that? City. What is that? City. Second one. Can you read? Read after me then. R-O-A-D. What it? Road. Third one. Girl. Which is that? Girl. G-I-R-L. Girl. Okay. Now, fourth one. Which one is the fourth? Story. S-T-O-R-Y. Story. Animal. Fifth one. A-N-I-M-A-L. Animal. Okay. Now, last, sixth one. Tailor. What is that? Tailor. T-A-I-L-O-R. Tailor. Understood? Which one is the first? City. Second one, road. Third one, girl. Fourth one, story. Fifth one, animal. Sixth one, tailor. With the help of these words, we are going to solve this exercise now. So let's do it now. First one, that girl is in my class. What they have already, first one they have done. It has been already solved. So now we are going to study. That girl is in my class. So what they did here? So in this box only they have taken that girl word and they have filled it here. Okay. So second one we are going to do. W-E-V, you should also read. Okay. W-E-V, live. L-I-V-E, live. In, I-N, in, a. We live in a dash. This place is blank. So now we are going to fill that place. Okay. So which one will be correct here? Let's see. We live in a city. City is a particular word? Yes, obviously. Where we live? Where do we live? In the city. So which one will be correct here? Which is the correct word here? Yes, city. So you have to write that city. C-I-T-Y. City. We live in a city. This is the correct word. So we have filled it here. Understood? Where do we live? On the road we can live here. Road. In the girl we can live? No, they are totally wrong. So city is the correct word. So we have written it here. Okay. Now let's see second one. The, T-H-E, the, dash, dash means what? Empty place. Makes, M-A-K-E-S, makes. These, T-H-E-S-E, these clothes, C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes. What is that? The dash makes these clothes. Let's see which word will be correct here. Okay. So here city, first one is the city, already we have written here. So no need to see that. Second one, road. The road makes these clothes. Road can make the clothes? No, totally wrong. Now third one, girl. We have to use here, the girl makes these clothes. We can use, but already it has been used here. So no need to use that again. Okay. So that also cancelled. Fourth one, which word is there? Story. Story, the story makes these clothes. Story can make the clothes? No, that is also not fit here. Fifth one, the animal makes these clothes. Animal can make? No, they also can't. So which one will be the correct here then? Let's see. Last. Which one that? That is last one. What is that? Tailor. T-A-I-L-O-R. Tailor means what? Those who are stitching the clothes. They are known as tailor. Okay. What they do? They are stitching the clothes. Stitching means weaving. Understood? Okay. So the tailor makes these clothes. Okay. Which one will be the correct word fit here? Tailor. So write down that. T-A-I-L-O-R. Tailor. T-A-I-L-O-R. Tailor. Write down properly everyone. Okay, have you written now? So tailor can make the clothes. He can stitch the clothes. Understood? The tailor makes these clothes. You can see that picture of that tailor here. He is stitching the clothes over here. Can you see that? This one. He is the tailor. Okay, he is one community helper. Okay, now we are going further for fourth. Which one is that fourth? That. T-H-A-T, that. Okay, T-H-A-T, that. Dash, I-S is funny. F-U-N-N-Y, funny. What they have given? That dash is funny. Okay, let's see over here. City already we have written. You should put the cross there. Okay. Again, which one we have used? Girl already it has been used. Okay. Then tailor also has been used previously in this. Okay. So how many words have left here? Road, story, animal. These words are there. So which one will be the fit here? Let's see. That dash is funny. So let's see. We can use here road, R-O-A-D, road. That road is funny. Road become a funny? No, totally wrong. So let's see further. Which one is that? Girl already used, so I put the cut there. So which one is there? Story. So what is here? S-T-O-R-Y, story. We can use the story over here. Obviously. How? That story is funny. Yes, no? Are you reading the story at your home? Yes. If the story is good, it's funny, you want to read again and again. Yes, no? So which word will be the correct here? Story. So write down that. S-T-O-R-Y, story. So that story is funny. Okay? Have you written? Now story also we have already written. Put a cross there. Okay? Now fifth one, let's see. I see, S-E-E-C. I see that, T-H-A-T, that, dash on, O-N, on, T-H-E, the, way, W-A-Y, way, to, T-O, school. Let's see which word will be the correct here. I see that, dash on the way to school. So what? Road is given here and animal is left over there. Road and animal. So we are going to see now. So I see that road on the way to school. On the way means what? Already road. So road again you want to see? No. On the way already given. So why we should write here road? No need to write there road. So which one will be the correct here? I see that animal. Which word will be the fit here? Animal. I see that animal N-A-N-I-M-A-L, animal, on the way to school. What you have seen there? One animal on the way to school. Understood? Correct. Now have you written this animal? Okay, then let's go further. Sixth one, this, T-H-I-S, this, dash, is, I-S, is, always, A-L-W-A-Y-S, always, very, V-E-R-Y, very, crowded, C-R-O-W-D-E-D. What is that word? Crowded, C-R-O-W-D-E-D. Okay, crowded. This dash is always very crowded. So already we have written animal. So which word has left here? Obviously, which word only left here? Road. So what is that? What is that sentence? It become, this road is always very crowded. Have you got that word? Very good. Then write R-O-A-D. What is the meaning of crowded here? Crowded means very rush. Over there so many people are there. What is that? Over there so many people are there. So it become crowded. Understood? So this road, R-O-A-D, road, is always very crowded. Did everyone? Have you written all these words in your textbook? In your canopy book? Okay? On the page number of 11. Have you written properly, everyone? So which one is the first one? City. First one already written, sorry, girl. Second one city, C-I-T-Y, city. So here third one is a tailor, T-A-I-L-O-R, tailor. Story, S-T-O-R-Y, story. Fifth one, animal, A-N-I-M-A-L, animal. Sixth one is the road, R-O-A-D, road. Have you written all these words? Okay, so what did we understand here? These are all the common nouns. What those are? These are all the common nouns. For example, here, city. So many cities over here. Yes, no? Solapur, Kolhapur, Pandharpur. These are all the cities. So city is the common noun. And this Solapur, Pandharpur, these are the particular names. What those are? Particular names. They are proper noun. Tailor. Tailor also common. So many tailors you can meet. Yes, no? And they are sharing the same name? No. Tailor is the common. They have different name. Maybe Suresh, Ram, like this. Story. About the story also like that. Story. You can read so many stories maybe. Comic you read maybe. Tragedy stories are there. Again, happy stories are there. Okay? Like this. Animal. Animals also common. It means what? So many animals are over there. Okay? Animal also common. Cat, dog, these are particular, but animal is the common noun. Road. So many roads you met maybe. Yes, no? Visited maybe. So same road. Each and all the roads have same name? No. They have different name. Okay? Understood? For example, Vijapur Road, Satara Road. These are the name of the road. Okay? So what we have seen here? So we have seen here common nouns. Now turn your page. Page number 11. Sorry, 12. We are going to see now page number 12. Have you written properly everything, students? Very good then. Pat yourself. Turn your page. Now we are going to study now vocabulary. What is that? Vocabulary. What is the meaning of vocabulary? Vocabulary means words. Okay? What it means? Vocabulary means words. If you know more words, then only we can speak properly. What we do? If you know the words, then only we can speak properly. So we have to learn the words. Okay? What you have to do? Regularly you have to write the 5 words in your notebook. Any one rough book. Okay? Each and all the words you have to read it again and again and keep it in your mind. So what will happen? With the help of those words, you can speak properly. Understood? So vocabulary means what? Words. Now we are going to see here. Look at this picture. Write the things you can see in the boxes. Now they have given us again some words. Now here you can see this picture. What is this? Maybe already you have visited. Where we have visited there? That place? Recall it? Where you have visited? Yes. With Dina and Dadu, we went with them. Yes, no? Have you explored over there? Yes, we have explored over there. So what is this? This area is known as beach. What is that? Beach. Okay? This area is known as beach. Okay? B-E-A-C-H, beach. So let's see some words they have given us. We are going to fill those words in front of the correct picture. Okay? So we are going to give them proper name. Sorry. So first one, S-H-I-P, ship. S-H-I-P, ship. Second one, sand. S-A-N-D, sand. Third one, sea. S-E-A-C. Fourth one is crab. C-R-A-B, crab. Crab is one sea animal. Turtle. Have you seen this? Have you met now in this lesson? To the turtle. Where Dina was sat over there? Yes, Dina sat on the turtle. What she thought over there? It was frog, but it was, which animal was there? Turtle. 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 Okay. Now let's see now. What is this? Yes, it's a ship. So already it has been written here. For us, they have already written SHIP, ship. SHIP, ship. Okay. So now ship is already written. Now we are going to search sand. Where is the sand? Let's see. This is sand. Yes, isn't it? No. This is sand. Yes. This is sand. Yes. So what you are going to do here? You should write the sand over here. This yellow part is there, na? It is sand. So write down there sand. S-A-N-D. Sand. What is this? Sand. Sand means what? Soft land beside of the sea. The land covered with sand. That is softness you can feel over there. Okay. Now next one. Sea. Sand already written. Sand. Sea. S-E-A. Where is the sea? This animal is the sea? Yes, na? No. This is? Yes, isn't it sea? No. So which way? Sea means what? Big area of water. It's known as sea. So you can see over here. This is sea. Okay? So you have to write that spelling. Sea word you can write over here. S-E-A-C. Okay? Now which one is there? Crab. C-R-A-B. Crab. You know crab? Which animal is there? It's a sea animal. This is crab. No, this one is the crab. Okay? They have big teeth. Okay? So it's known as crab. C-R-A-B. Crab. Now, which one is the left? Turtle. Where is the turtle? Obviously, this one is the turtle. So write down here. Turtle. T-U-R-T-L-E. Turtle. You can see here. So what we have understood here, we have written the some words. Which words? Ship, sea, crab, sand, turtle. Okay. So this way today we have completed the walk with Dadu lessons exercise. So remaining part of the exercise we are going to do in further session. Next session we are going to do the remaining part of the exercise. Understood everyone? What we have studied here? We have studied the common nouns. Okay. Again we have studied some words. Those belongs to sea. Okay. So vocabulary. What we have studied here? Vocabulary means words. With the help of the words only we can speak properly. Understood now? Okay. Thank you.